All right, some days you just take a little longer to figure things out than other days. I was watching my TAR podcast and taking notes so I can make the quiz questions out of it. And I realized why the one file was bigger than the other. It was bigger than the other because I created the TAR file first, and then I created the TGZ file, which contained the tar file I already created. So if you look, this is dir2 on the system I copied it to. So I have the ec2 user home.tar file that exists in that directory. If I go to the other directory, here let's do it. Let's do this again. Remove star. No, let's not do that. Yeah, let's do that. Remove star. Control C. Well, let's not do that. Remove -rf star. And now we'll go up to, let's make sure it's empty. Let's go up to dir1, cd // dir1, remove -rf star, rn, registered nurse. Alright. So now let's extract these again. tar xvf ec2 user .tar /dir1. So essentially I'm telling it to extract into dir1. Okay, that didn't work. So let's do this. cd dir1 tar xvf // I was trying to extract it without copying copying the file into the directory. So now if we look at dir1, I have what I expected, which was all my files. Now let's go do the same thing for dir2. So let's extract. And if we look at this file, my other tar file that I created first got tarred into this file. So if I remove this one, right, yes, remove that. Now I have identical directories because the tar files aren't in there. So now let's go back up and create new archives and have a contest. cvf dir1.tar /dir1/star. Alright, and now we'll do that for dir2. Except we'll make it a TGZ, TGR, TGZ, and we'll put a Z in there. And now we'll look at the size. And dir2.tgz was actually 4 megs smaller. So in this case, compressing it didn't really save us much space, but I do feel better now that I figured out why the other one was twice as big. So yeah, compressing does make it smaller, even though in my confused state in the previous podcast I was not showing such.